we are going to need fresh aloe vera leaves straight from the garden. Aloe vera is rich in vitamin E and C, keeping your hair young and happy. The first thing that we are going to do is we are going to first cut both sides the way you are seeing me doing it. Aloe vera also keeps your hair hydrated and moisturized. So now the first thing after cutting the edges, then we are going to cut our aloe vera into small pieces. That is the aloe vera gel that you see me pointing at. Aloe vera has chemicals similar to that of keratin, and it rejuvenates the hair within the nutrients, keeping it elastic and from breakage. Mixing this aloe vera with any other product, it is the best idea you can do. So you are going to see as we go on. So we are cutting our aloe vera gel into other small pieces for our first way or our first phase. So we are going to use coconut oil, which will be helping us to make our hair softer and promote strength and shiny hair. Also, it will help us reduce frizziness. So kindly follow the process and enjoy. So we are going to be using coconut oil, and I'm using CBC brand. So this is pure white coconut oil. You can use any other coconut oil which is organic. As you see me struggling opening the seal of this tin, I'm using my knife, I'm using my energy, I'm using all the strength that I'm having to open this seal. Finally, our coconut oil is here. So now the next step is, since it is still in a solid form, we need to heat it up so that it turns into our oil. So I got my pan, I'm placing down my coconut oil the way how you see it. Then I'm going to transfer the pan to the heater and we heat it up. So now you can see this is our coconut oil after it getting some medium heat from our cooker. You can use a stove. So now this is the step. I'm sorry guys, I did this without showing you. I thought I was recording, but unfortunately I didn't record. But I transferred my aloe vera pieces into this tin. Then I got my cold coconut oil. I added it in this tin. So we are going to store this for a month. I got the aloe vera leaves that we were cutting into 2 small pieces. I transferred it to my blender. Then I also poured some small amount of coconut oil to just help me smoothen and make the process easier to blend. After blending, this is how our aloe vera gel looks like. You have to make sure that you have a smooth paste. So get your pan, get your aloe vera gel that you blended. Make sure that you're having the equal quantities of your aloe vera gel and your extra coconut oil. Make sure that you have the same measurements and also place it onto your pan. So place the 2 ingredients on medium heat. Give it time to heat up. As you can see, it has started heating up around the edges. Yes. Are you seeing that? So as you can see, our coconut oil has dissolved and now it is in the liquid form. So keep stirring, stir as you're boiling your coconut and aloe vera on medium heat. Aloe vera is one of the best things to apply on your hair for growth stimulation because it has thickening agents. As you're heating up your aloe vera gel, you will start noticing changes in it. This aloe vera gel, it will help you promote hair growth, reduce itching on the scalp, reducing dandruff, and if you have dry and frizzy hair, I'll advise you to use this overnight or 3 hours during day. So now this is how our aloe vera hair oil looks like when you've given it enough time to be cooked and prepared. So the next thing is we are going to get our jar plus our strainer and we start sieving out our aloe vera oil. You can use anything that you feel like it is going to help you strain out your aloe vera gel. Aloe vera also can be used to repair dead skin cells on the scalp because it has those agents. Enzymes are called proteolytic. Oh god, this word I don't know. But anyway, just know that there are enzymes which can help you repair dead skin cells on the scalp. English is hard now. But anyway, keep on straining out your aloe vera gel hair oil. It is going to help you stimulate hair growth for your hair. At the same time, your hair will be thick, smooth, shiny, long. At the end of the day, you'll be happy using this aloe vera hair oil. So we are done straining out our aloe vera hair growth oil. I'm so happy. Please kindly try this at home and you tell me after 2 months or after 1 month what happened with your hair. If you feel happy, I'll be happy too. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for learning with me. Please take this step on another level. If you're new here, kindly don't forget to subscribe, like my video, and don't forget to leave the comment under the comment section down below. So we are trying now to store our aloe vera hair growth oil in a tin, whereby we want it to be safe and always keep it under cool temperatures. Thank you for watching. These are the 2 ways on how you can prepare aloe vera hair growth oil using coconut oil.